So imagine constantly walking through cobweb, only to realize that a spider has been living in your side mirror, car side mirror, endlessly spinning its web. So no matter how many times you clear them away, the web keep reappearing. So now, considering the relentless nature of these enemies who have been attacking me for years, it's highly possible that I am being targeted with spiritual cobweb attacks, which is a form of energetic entrapment meant to create blockages in your life. So here's where the mirroring comes into play. They fabricate a false tarot reading portraying me as the villain, claiming that I am the one obsessed with blocking someone else's path. And in their twisted narrative, I am now the desperate fool, using black magic to sabotage another person. So it's pure manipulation, a deliberate reversal of reality designed to shift blame, create confusion, and continue their attacks under the guise of victimhood.